Hello students, welcome to the session. Today's topic for the session is real number and decimal expansion. We will understand what is our real number and we will see the decimal expansions of them. So real number. So what is real number means? So any number we can see around us just like 0, 1, 1 by 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, 2 by 5, even all the fractions, positive, negative, they all are real numbers. Okay, they all are real number. Even root 2, root 3, all these numbers which are visible to us, similarly 2025, 2026, 1 upon something, 0.34, these all are our real number. We all categorize all this as a real number. Fine. So these all are real numbers. And now we need to learn some decimal expansion. We need to find out the decimal expansions of some of the real numbers. Decimal expansions. So decimal expansions means it will be representing just like 0.458 and 9 or 1.2316 or like 2 to 22.1876. This type of representation we call it as a decimal expansion. So in this chapter we will learn how to convert our fractional part how to convert our fractional part to decimal expansion. Okay, so in this we will discuss about the fractional part. So fractional part means you will be given a fraction in p by q form. You will be given a fraction in p by q form, and this p by q form we will convert it into decimal expansion. And later on we will classify this decimal expansion as are they are terminating, is the decimal expansion is terminating or the decimal expansion is not terminating. Now these are the further categories of decimal expansion. So in this video we will discuss only the decimal expansion, how to convert a fractional number into a decimal expansion. So let us take one example, 7 by 8. 7 by 8 we have to convert this into decimal expansion. So first of all, this 7 by 8 means this 7 is going to be divided by 8 and 7 is your smaller number. So it is not possible to divide 8. Okay, it is not possible to divide 8. 8 cannot divide 7. So we have to take a borrow and here 0 point something, right? So we have taken a borrow 0 point something. So after decimal we can take as many as zeros. We do not write again and again decimal. So 7, next is your nearest number is 64. So it will be your 0.8. Now it will be 70 minus 64 will be 6. Okay. Now again we will write a 0 and we will not put a decimal here, or we will not write a 0 here again. So now it is your 60 and we have to check whether any number which is less than 60 in the table of it. Yes, 7 8 is 56. So it is your 7 8 is 56. Okay. So subtract it, you will get 4. Okay. Now again here 40. It was 4, but we have taken a 0. Okay, it was 4, but we have taken a 0. So it will be written like 40. Okay. Now the number in the table of 40 less than is your, yes, it is available. It is your 5. So we can write it as minus 40 and cancel it. We will get our remainder 0. So on dividing 7 by 8, we get our decimal expansion as 0.875. And further on, we can categorize it as a terminating decimal expansion. It is called a terminating decimal expansion. What do we mean by terminating decimal expansion? It means that it has ended. Okay, our remainder is 0. So it is not continuing, it is terminated, it has an end. So 0.875 is the final answer. So there is no repetition or it is not ending type of number, it is ended and it is 0.875. So our 7 by 8 can be represented as 0.875. This is our decimal terminating decimal expansion. Okay, let's check another example. Let us check 8 by 3. So if I going to divide 8 by 3, so further it will be divided by 2. So now it will be written as 2. Okay. Now since 2 is not divisible by 3, we will take a 0 here, put a decimal here. Now we can see that in the table of 3 at 18, 6, 3, 6 is 18 comes under the table of 3. So it will be written as 3, 6 is 18. Now we will subtract 20. We have to go till we are to get our remainder as 0. So okay, we have to repeat this process until we will get our remainder 0. So next again see 20. Okay, after decimal we can take as much as 0. So this is again from the table of 3. 20 is not divisible, so we will take 18. 6 again, so it is your 2. So this step is repeating like this. We will not get our remainder as 0. So this will go on. Okay. So our 8 by 3 is represented as 2.666 and so on. That is, it is 2.6 bar. So we can write it as a 6 bar. That means your 6 is repeating. And this category of decimal expansion is called non-terminating. Non-terminating decimal expansion. This type of expansion, decimal expansion, is called non-terminating decimal expansion. So we have learned how to convert a fraction to a decimal expansion. This is our most important topic. So after that, after this decimal expansion, we can say whether our given number is a terminating or non-terminating only through our decimal expansion, decimal representation. Okay. So I hope you understood the topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through my Urban Pro profile. Till then, revise and let's meet in the next session. Thank you.